9x square 9x square minus 25 dx. X square quotient must be equal to plus 1 or minus 1. So take 9 common. Take 9 common. Under root 9 into x square minus 25 by 9. Root 9 value 3. Root 9 value 3. Constant must be in the form of a square. Constant in the form of a square. X square minus 5 by 3 whole square dx. Apply x square minus a square formula. 3 into x by 2 under root x square minus a square x by 2 into under root a square minus x square a square by 2 cos h inverse x by a. Cos h inverse x by a minus a square value 29 by 25 by 9 by 9 cos h inverse x value x, a value 5 by 3 5 by 3. Last step 3 into x by 2 under root x square minus 25 by 9 minus 25 by 18 cos h inverse 3x by 5 plus c under root 25 plus x square dx. Integral 1 by 5 square sin h inverse x by a sin h inverse x by a value 5. A value 5. Bit number 16. Integral 1 by x square minus 81 dx. Write the constant in the a square form. Integral 1 by x square minus 9 square dx. 1 by x square minus a square 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a 1 by 2 into 9 log mod x minus 9 by x plus 9 1 by 18 log mod x minus 9 by x by under root 1 minus x dx. See on the board, integration is the ideology subject. మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసే కొంది డెవలప్ అవుతుంది. Listen first carefully. Put 1 minus x equal to t square. First listen. 0 dx equal to 2t dt. Dx value minus 2t dt. First listen. Integral root t square dx value minus 2t dt. So there is x square in the numerator. Write that x square is also in t terms. In t, small t terms. Listen. 1 minus x equal to t square. 1 minus t square equal to x. So x value 1 minus t square whole square root t square t cancel minus 2 a minus b whole square a square plus b square minus 2ab. Next integrations. Integral of one value t power 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 t power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Actually answer is over, but answer is in the t terms. We want x answer. So from this one t value under root 1 minus x minus 2 under root 1 minus x 1 minus x whole power 5 by 5 1 minus x whole cube by 3 plus c under root x under root x plus 1 hint x plus 1 equal to t square. Fourth bit x by under root 1 minus x dx. Put 1 minus x equal e power x into 1 plus x cos square x into e power x into e power x dx. There is a trigonometric function. Listen. There is trigonometric function sin, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot, anyone. Actually cos square x, but in this place there is a x into e power x. So put that function as t. That is one hint. E power x. Listen. X into e power x equal to t. X into, so apply u into v formula. U dash v, v dash u equal to dt. Derivative of x value 1. Derivative of e power x, x whole dx equal to dt. Take e power x common, equal to dt. See on the board. E power x into 1 plus x dx. Total becomes to dt. E power x 1 plus x dx. Total equal to dt. Remaining problem 1 by cos square t secant square t dt. We know this formula. Integral of secant square x tan x. So tan t plus c tan x value x into e power x plus c tan power 4x secant square x dx. Secant square x dx. Listen, there are two methods. Number 1, put tan x equal to t secant square x dx equal to dt. Tan x value t power 4 x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 where t value tan x to the power of 5 by 5 plus c. Another method, integral tan x power 4 secant square x dx. Direct formula f of x power n f dash x dx. Derivative of tan x. Derivative of tan x equal to secant square x. So this problem directly in the form of f of x power n f dash x. So f of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So tan x power n plus 1 4 plus 1 5 by 5 plus c. Secant x by secant x plus tan x whole power n. Secant x by secant x plus tan x secant x plus tan x equal to t. Derivative of secant x. Secant x into tan x. Derivative of tan x. Secant square x dx equal to dt. Take secant x common. Tan x plus secant x whole dx equal to dt. Secant x. See on the board. secant x plus tan x equal to t. Secant x plus tan x equal to t. Dx equal to dt. Secant x dx equal to dt by t. So secant x dx, these two becomes to dt by t. So integral 1 by t power n secant x dx value dt by t. Bases are equal, so add the powers. Bases are equal, so there is multiplication symbol, so add the powers. Integral t power minus n minus 1. This is in the form of x power n. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 t power minus n minus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Where t value secant x plus tan x whole power minus n by minus n